Hello guys and welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how you can retrieve or recover back the hibernation button. You have maybe realized that when you click on the start menu and you click on the power options, you don't have the hibernation. So to recover that button or to get it back, just click on the search tab and type control panel. If you have different view, small icons or large icons, then I will invite you to select view by category and then click on system and security. Go to the fourth option, power options. We'll go now to the left panel options and we'll select choose what the power buttons do, and we will click on change settings that are currently unavailable. We're going to select hibernate and we'll click save changes. Once done, just click close, go back to your start menu, power button, and select if you have the hibernate button back. If it's still missing, just try to restart your computer and this should solve the issue. If you still need help or assistance, or if you have any questions, you can always leave us a comment or send us an email and we'll do our best to help you. If you would like to encourage us to produce more video tutorials, just press like, share, and do not forget to subscribe to get our latest videos. Thank you for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.